In an attempt to bring about free and fair polls in the 2023 General Assembly elections in Meghalaya, the Assistant Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi District, in a meeting with media persons, had warned all digital and print media against paid news which tends to mislead the public into their choice of representatives.
So the simple difference that the Press Council of India gives is that news usually carries a credit line with it. A byline is also seen in a news piece, and it has a typeface that is different from that of an advertisement. So anything which disguises itself as news but is not really news would be considered as paid news. This is a little bit of history about political parties and how they came to a consensus about why paid news should be regulated. So why paid news is a problem? I think as members of the media, as responsible members of the media, it's important that we ensure that we give correct information to people, that people are not misled, because elections, which are the tenet of our democracy, rely on people exercising the right to vote in a fair and free manner. And I think the media is supremely crucial for that. So they can influence voters and have an undue influence actually. And it can also circumvent the elections expenditure laws. Basically, the fairness of an election gets compromised because of paid news. We will certify any political advertisements that can be shown on electronic media. So there's an entire procedure for that where candidates have to apply through the MCMC. And only when that permission is given can a political ad be carried out. But secondly, more importantly, for the purpose of paid news, if we get to know that there is a certain news which has been published and which is of a paid nature, we will be then intimating the returning officer of that constituency, and if it is proven and it is conclusive from the MCMC side that it was in fact paid, this will be accounted for in the candidate's election expenses. So if the case is decided as paid news, the print media cases will be sent to the Election Commission of India. These bodies or newspapers, whoever they are, will tell that the ECI that this is the newspaper which is responsible, and then action will be taken by the Press Council of India against the media house. In case it is related to electronic media, then instead of the Press Council of India, we will be referring it to the ECI, and then the ECI and the National Broadcasters Association will be taking action against the concerned electronic media house.